Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your walking speed if you've purchased the speed item. I don't know what it's called, honestly. Let me just check. The run faster one. So as you can see, I have it. I've just purchased it like a few days ago. But to change your walking speed, go to this high heels icon. And then right now it's at normal speed, so 50% is the normal speed. If you want to make yourself walk in slow-mo, you can do that too. As you can see, super slow. This is at 12%. And then if you want to walk super fast, this is good for the normal regular server. I put it at 100%, and you can basically walk even faster than usual. And that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!